Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you all?
Good morning. How are you, ma'am?
Ma'am. Ma'am, how are you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. Thank you. So living organisms worksheet. Did you write yesterday? Living organisms worksheet. Trilokia, did you try?
Ma'am, I did the electricity and circuits, but I didn't find the living organisms. ma'am.
Oh, wait a minute. It's there, dear. It has been shared in your WhatsApp group only. Right after electricity.
Okay, ma'am, I didn't see. I'll
It's-
try.
Do it. We can start it now.
Oh.
Bhavesh, Harshit, Neha, please come on the screen quickly.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
We are revising the living organisms. Yesterday we left it, half partial.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, where should we find it?
Mm, I guess fifth we did, sixth also we did, seventh is water, eighth. We need to start from the eighth one.
Okay, ma'am.
Dash is an example of aquatic plant. Who's gonna tell me?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Okay, ma'am.
Harshit, Dash is an example of aquatic plant. State one example.
Ma'am, is lotus aquatic plant inside
Lotus.
or
No, that's
lotus?
fine. Yeah, lotus can be the answer.
Ma'am, lily?
Lily grows
Ma'am,
in
it
water.
floats on water. Ma'am,
Okay.
it floats on water.
Okay, fine. Ninth, date palms mostly grow in that habitat.
Ma'am, cold habitat.
Pardon?
Ma'am, cold habitat.
Date palms grow in are you sure they grow in the cold habitat?
Ma'am, they grow in desert habitat.
Do one thing, leave this for now. For now only, okay? Move to the next thing. Usually polar bears are dash in color.
Ma'am, white.
Ma'am,
White.
White.
White, ma'am.
Yeah. And why they have fur on their body? Polar bears?
Ma'am, to keep themselves
Ma'am,
warm.
to keep themselves warm, ma'am.
Yes,
Keep
ma'am.
themselves warm.
Yeah. Yeah. Why do polar bears have fur on their body, hair on their body?
Ma'am, to keep them warm from the cold.
Please write in the chat now. There is some noise at my place. I'm not able to hear. Write in the chat. Yeah, now tell quickly.
Ma'am, ninth one se
No, I'm
ninth
asking
one.
why do polar bears have hair on their body? Why they have fur? To keep
Okay,
Mom,
ma'am.
to keep themselves warm.
great. Fine. Okay, you can copy this to everyone. You can copy this answer to everyone in chat. I'm looking in chat, okay? Next, tell me, what do you mean by camouflage? What do you understand by camouflage?
Ma'am, to blend with the surroundings.
Type, please type. Correct. Now you all can write the answers to everyone. No need to write to me directly because I'm not able to speak. There's some noise. To hide and protect itself from the predators. Very good. Great. Dakshin, Harshit, and other students also please keep answering. Okay, next. Good, Bhavesh. How do the features of lion help it to survive in grassland or forest? Quickly. First, this one. First one. Keep writing the answers in chat. How do the features of lion help it to survive in forest? They are carnivores, so they don't eat humans. Okay. Neha, correct answer. Trilokia does eye in front of their head to judge the size and distance while capturing prey. That is also correct. Other students? Who are correct? Trilokia and Neha correct. Great. Adakshan, Harshit, Bhavesh. It's light brown, helps it to blend in with brown grass and for hunting. Yeah. See, in many ways we can tell, like suppose this answer comes from just 1 mark. You can write any 1 point, or you can write the color stripes on their body helps them to, hide from their prey. And they are carnivores, they don't eat plants. Means in short, you can write 3 things. And if the question is for 2 to 3 marks, then you can, like in points form, you can elaborate. Correct, Bhavesh. Okay. Move to the next. Why do desert animals like rats and snakes stay in burrow during daytime? Harshit and Adakshin, respond. Whatever you feel the answer is, please respond. Why do desert animals like rats and snakes stay in burrow during daytime? Away from the heat. Good. Because already it's desert area, and that too during daytime, you can just think that how hot it gets because they are cold-blooded animals to keep themselves safe from the heat. But Harshit, this line is correct that to protect themselves from the heat of the sun, to keep their body temperature normal or mild. Next, how are trees adapted to the condition prevailing in mountain region? These all seems to be short answers actually. How trees adapt to condition prevailing in mountain region. Okay, what Trilokia, what does this conical shape helps them for? Sliding of snow. Great. And the roofs of houses in the mountain area also, they make like this structure so that the rain and ice or anything, snow and all, they get off from the roof and do not stay there, because accumulation of water can cause many bad effects. Fourth, how frog is adapted to live both on land and in water. Good. All answers are correct, Harshit, Loki and Bhavesh. Good, Neha. Fourth, how frog is adapted to live both on land and in water. Yeah, frogs can breathe from either their lungs or from the moist skin, and that's why. What are the adaptations that allow fish to live in water? Fifth. Do the fifth one. It has streamlined body and gills for breathing, streamlined shape body for balancing water, gill fins, ठीक है, correct. Harshit, Neha, चलो क्या correct? Adakshin and Harshit, dear, right. Say what you feel the answer is. What are happened to supply? Sixth one, adaptation. Page is empty. Wait a minute. Sixth one. Oh. Adaptations that a camel help a camel to survive in desert. 4 adaptations you need to write. This question may be of 2 mark or maybe of 4 mark. Can live without water for a long time. Good. And they also have long legs. Why? What is the purpose of long legs? Stores water in its body. Can store food in its hump. Food store करता है वो hump में, or it stores water only. Take eyebrows to and get into the eye. Right? Long legs walk easily and people spread weight. They do not sweat. Good. Wait. So any student, if any student was not getting the answer, you can look at the other students' points, then you can get to know. Okay, this is the benefit of discussion. Long, they have long legs, they have long eyebrows, they store water in it, and they do not sweat. Correct. You have the points now. Different types of aquatic habitat. Different types of aquatic habitat. 7th. 7, 7. 7 and 8 right answer of both. Aquatic hyphen aquatic. Ocean, lake, river. Ocean, pond, lake, sea, river, correct. Terrestrial habitat, very good. Freshwater, marine, and coastal. Wait, all the answers are correct. Terrestrial habitat. Coastal, desert, mountain, tundra, grassland, forest. Okay. Fine. Other students write for correct. Next, move to next. How do deer adapt themselves to live in forest and grassland? Ninth one now. Good adaptation and Bhavesh. Deer's adaptation. Speed to run away from predators. Okay. They also have long ears, which helps them to know that the predators are approaching. Eyes on their sides of head. All the animals that have eyes on their sides of head, they have the bigger benefit. They allow to see in the means wider view they have with their eyes only. Strong teeth to chew plants. Blend in the grassland to hide. Okay, speed, senses, and teeth, fine. Camouflage. Blend in the grassland to hide, correct. Good sense of smell and hearing, and their speed and their body color and all, fine. How are the plants in desert adapted? How are the plants in desert adapted? Leaves are transformed into spines to store water, and long roots. Great, great. Stores water in the stem. The process of transpiration means release of water like the normal trees occur. So we feel, cold in the areas where there are so many trees. This does not happen with the plants in desert because they do not lose water like other plants. They have a thick, the outer covering of leaves is quite thick and waxy in nature so that they do not release out the water. And my green color, correct. Okay. I think we can revise one more chapter now. Can we take fun with magnets?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? Okay.
Chapter there.
Sorry? Let me share fun with magnets, okay. So starts with it, the fill in the blanks. The attraction of magnet is strongest at its poles. Okay. In order to convert an iron piece into a magnet, we should stroke it with the same dash of the bar magnet in the dash direction repeatedly. If we need to convert an iron scale into a piece of magnet, then suppose this is a magnet, we have to stroke it like this, lift it up, do not drag in back in the same direction, and then again stroke it in this direction. In the same direction, you have to stroke it multiple times. In the single direction, you can write, means one is okay, but you know this word single suits better here. What about the first blank? Stroke it with the same what? In order to convert an iron piece.
Ma'am, the first one is the direction.
Stroke it with the same direction. In order to convert an iron piece into an iron piece, stroke it with the same direction. Dear, no, stroke it with the same. First is not direction, but second is single direction.
Ma'am, I think the first blank is magnet.
Great. Hmm.
Ma'am, the first blank may be pole or magnet.
First one is
Pole or magnet. Ma'am, I think it's a pole. Pole.
with the same pole of the bar magnet in the single direction, with the same pole. Yeah, great. Correct. Same pole. If we have started with the North Pole, then keep continuing with the North Pole. If we have started with South Pole, then South Pole. Means don't interchange the poles. Good. Very good. A freely suspended magnet always points in dash direction. North-south direction. Great. No, not only north, north-south. North-south direction. Dash pieces of rock are known as natural magnets. Dash pieces of rock are known as natural magnet. No, not magnesium. If you remember the story, you know, how the natural magnets got discovered when the shepherd was taking the sheep to walk, and accidentally his stick got, you know, stick to a piece of rock. The name of that rock was lodestone. Wait.
Mom, is it magnetite?
Here it is lodestone. Lodestone, pieces of rock.
Ma'am, or leading stone?
Leading stone, dear, the name of that stone was lodestone only.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, true or false? A nickel wire is attracted by a magnet. Hmm.
Mom,
Sorry,
I
please.
think no, because
Listen. Correct the spell, dear. It's this. Okay, spell is this. Now what I have written. Lodestone. Next, tell me, a nickel wire is attracted by a magnet. Yes or no? Yes, it is.
Mom, but it has a layer of insulation.
Sorry?
Mom, but it has a layer of insulation.
Every wire will have the layer of insulation if you get it from, means mostly if you will find it in your home, you will have the insulation. Remove it, it will get attracted.
Okay.
Even the copper also. Like magnetic poles attract each other while unlike poles repel. True? No. So like repel and unlike attract. Okay. See, maximum iron fillings stick in the middle of power magnet when it is brought near them. Where then it sticks to? The maximum fillings will stick to which part? Poles. Because like from the north pole, the lines are just emerging out, and from on the south pole, they are entering. So the crowd is seen at the poles. That's why the strength is highest. Okay. And iron fillings maximum stick at the poles only. D, magnet can damage memory devices. Do you think so? That's true. Okay, sorry. Wait a minute. Choose a correct option. Temporary magnets are made from soft iron. Okay. Which material can be made magnetic by hammering it with other magnet? Copper. Adakshin, copper, you are telling answer of first or second? Iron material is only suitable to convert into magnet. Okay. First, okay. Third, which of the following is true about magnetism? A, when we cut the magnet in two parts, magnetism is lost. When we cut the magnet in two parts, we get isolated north and south pole. When we cut the magnet in two parts, we get two magnets, each with north pole and south pole. We can know in two parts. Yeah, tell me. See. Okay. Harshit, see. Neha, see. Adyakshin, Bhavesh, Neha. Oh, sorry, not Neha. Trilokya. Bhavesh, we do not get isolated north and south pole. Remember one thing, that a magnet is always dipole. Means magnet cannot exist with a single pole. It means, suppose if you have this piece of bar magnet, it accidentally gets broken at this point. Then one piece is this, other piece is this. Along on the other side of north, the south will automatically develop. On other side of south, north will automatically develop. So a magnet always exists as a dipole and no monopole exists. Means single pole is not possible in case of magnet. Okay. Next, fifth one. Write main properties of a magnet. Write down. Every student, do not write different parts. Write the main properties like 3 to 4 in a single go. So that I can just look at it like these 4 are Harshit's point, then it is Trolokya's points. Attracts identical cobalt. Neha and Harshit, I'm asking you in one time only, means just in a one single message, write all the main properties. Don't break them.
Ma'am, by mistake I sent ma'am before.
Trilokya wrote poles of magnet, magnetic poles come in pair. Trilokya, what is poles of magnet? Main properties means tell what about the poles of magnet you want to tell. Magnetic poles come in pair. Directive property of a... Okay, poles of magnet, you mean magnetic poles come in pair. Okay, or you can simply write magnet always exists as a dipole. Second is directive property of magnet, attraction and repulsion. Again, this is incomplete. Directive property of magnet means what about it? Complete the answer. Adyakshin, it attracts at north and south poles. Okay. Answers in single message, everyone, please. Like poles repel and unlike poles always attract, always rest in north-south direction. Okay, Neha. Suspended magnet points, north-south direction. Magnetism is strongest at the poles. Good, Trilokya. Neha, 2 points only I've received. 2 more. Adyakshin, I'm waiting for your more points. Bhavesh and Harshit. Not a single point. What happened? Keep writing, keep writing. What happened, children? Okay, let me tell you more points. Boys, you don't have written anything. First is magnetic field lines emerge from north and enter at the south pole. Everyone has missed this point. You know that. Okay. It always exists at a dipole, you have written. And freely suspended magnet always rest in north-south direction. And fourth is this find that magnetic field strength is higher at the poles and weaker outside the magnet. It attracts the magnetic objects like iron, copper, nickel, cobalt. Okay, that's fine. Next. What are the various ways by which magnets can lose their magnetism? Write the answers in single words, means 2-3 words, whatever the way, single words, but. When a magnet breaks into piece, means breaking of a magnet, lose its magnetism. More, if we heat them, heating, breaking, hammering or beating. By hammering or beating, does it lose its magnetism? Near the fire also? Okay. Okay, great. Fine. So what is the best way to keep them safe so that its magnetism is preserved? Way to preserve the magnetism. We can keep it inside the case. Okay. What is a compass and what is it used for? What is a magnetic compass and what is it used for? By magnetic keepers in a wooden case. Okay. Tell me what is compass and what is it used for quickly. Okay, reaction. Okay, compass is used for finding direction. And what about the compass? It is sensitive to magnetic field, means it can sense. Okay, like a magnetic material which gets attracted towards a magnet. The compass is a magnetic compass. It can sense the. Okay, fine then. Revise more chapters. And let me know if you have any doubt in all these which we have already done. Okay. In the chapters which we have already revised, if you have any doubt, please drop a message in the group itself. And I hope you have seen the subjective test this weekend. Prepare for that also. Okay. Okay, children. Bye bye. We'll meet in. Bye.
Ma'am,
Thank
have
you,
a
ma'am.
nice
Have a nice
Same.
day.